we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Shirley Rowlands went on to say, although bananas aren't one of the traditional fruits fed to birds, they probably hit the spot quickly and help birds warm up soon after eating them. They will certainly be of more nutritional value than bread, which is more commonly fed to geese, ducks and swans.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.